Namaste everybody, my name is Sean or S&W for real, and today we're going to be installing cyberlink Powerdirector 19 for free on Windows PC. Now as always, before we get started, the minimum specs, the required storage space, in addition to the direct download links, everything that you guys will need is all down below in the description. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so like I said, today we're going to be installing cyberlink Powerdirector 19 for free on Windows PC. So if you follow the link down below in the description, it will take you directly to the download page. And it is a Google Drive link. As you can see here, we have Powerdirector 19. And this is actually a relatively small file. It's only about 700 megabytes. It's one of those that's packed. So it will get bigger during extraction. But anyway, all you want to do is double click on the download button, and in a couple of seconds we'll start downloading. But once you have the Powerdirector 19 RAR file on your PC, you want to head to WinRAR, and then we can continue installation. So I'll see you there. Alrighty guys, welcome to WinRAR. So as always, you want to select the entire Powerdirector 19 folder. You want to click extract to, and then as always, you can select a custom download location, or you can scroll through the directories here on your PC, as you can see. But in this case, just as an example for this video, I'm going to do it to the desktop. I'm going to click OK, and it will start extracting. So once you have fully extracted the Powerdirector 19 RAR file, you want to head into the folder, and we can continue installation. So I'll see you there. Alrighty guys, so once you have fully extracted the Powerdirector 19 RAR file, you will have a folder called Powerdirector 19. So all you want to do is go ahead and open the folder, and then inside of it you will have another folder called Powerdirector 19, and then also you will have some links and the README file as always in case you guys might need it. But all you want to do is open the second Powerdirector 19 folder, and then inside of it you will have more folders. You will also have a bunch of other files, and then you will also have the Powerdirector 19 application exe. So at this point you guys are good to go. This has already been pre-installed for you guys, and it is patched with the lifetime subscription, so you guys are all good to go. All you have to do is go ahead and launch it. So I'm going to go ahead and launch it from the shortcut on my desktop, just to go ahead and show you guys that it does work. And if this is the first time that you're booting it up, it might take a little bit because it needs to initialize some files and all of that stuff. By the way, if you have installed my previous version of Powerdirector 18 and you would like to update from Powerdirector 18 to this version of Powerdirector 19, you can absolutely do that. This will not fully replace 18. It will just transfer over your settings and all of that sort of stuff. And yeah, like I said, it's patched with a lifetime subscription, no watermark. So you guys are all good to go, and you're all set with Powerdirector 19. So just a quick video for you guys. Thanks to everybody so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, if you guys have any comments, questions, or feedback, feel free to reach out to me through the social media down below in the description, or drop a comment down below, and I will try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. Also, do let me know if you are upgrading from my version of Powerdirector 18 to 19, and let me know what you think. Also, I really appreciate you guys taking a couple minutes out of your day to stop by and watch my videos. I really appreciate it, and I'm super grateful. Thank you so much. But thanks again, guys. You guys have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.